Now welcome back to the Fresh from the Range. We do got a small unboxing and also a brief review on the Olight Baton Ultra. Now before we get into anything further, I do gotta say that remember, check the link down below if you're interested in the Baton Ultra. There's going to be a Summer Splash campaign going on right now on the Baton series, 20% off. If you're interested, go check the link down below, 20% off. Take advantage. So let's get into it. I guess I didn't need it. Here we go. 1 and 2. The first inspection here, first time seeing this in person. Wow. Okay. There we go. The Olight Baton Ultra. Like I said, this is the flashlight itself. Crazy color, kind of matching, but more gold to it. It looks really awesome. It's got the little clips in here. Now, let me actually go further into the packaging because that's the flashlight itself, but let's check out what's in here. So, I saw this. It's actually a 3M sticky mount when you're not using it, and then here's the rest of the stuff. They'll give you the specs. Right there, there's the wireless charger. So let's see how far we get here. Okay, we got a whole spec sheet, and then and this is how we actually start it up right here. It actually says readme. So how this whole thing works is you actually open the battery compartment and then take out the small plastic that covers the battery, and then you are pretty much good to go. There we go. It does have the side and magnetic tail switch on it, and that's the two. It says that there's actually 2 points of contact. So one is here, so that starts up that flashlight. That, you know, it's got the rubberized coating, and then right here there's that side also. And also with that, it does have the MCC and also USB-C charging. So there's the wireless charger there. That is a big thing about Olight, that just pretty much clip it on and it charges, and that's what was always a plus for me with their other flashlights. But actually, if you pull this one down here, it has a USB-C, so that's another way of charging, which is a really good plus to this, I will say. Battery capacity is to 3,500 milliamps. This is where the battery usage comes in. On high, you get 3+ hours. That's pretty crazy. On medium, you get 18+ hours. And on low, you have pretty much 6+ days. And that's what I'm talking about here. You can see the brightness of it already. Like we were talking about the brightness, 1800 lumens, that's 300 meters. That throw is gonna be crazy. The build material on here is very surprising, because I will say that, you know, I haven't touched it with my bare hand, but oh man, that you feel that already. So reading up on this, Olight's proprietary OAL material, which is 1.73 times harder than 6061 aluminum, 1.73 times the tensile strength of Ta2 titanium, and 1.44 times the yield strength of Ta2 titanium. Now, I'm just reading that, and I'm surprised to say that I had no idea. And pretty awesome, and something that I want for my EDC. It is amazingly strong, scratch resistant. It's gonna do its job and not bust out on you, and this is what it's all about here. Definitely a plus. Now, one thing I want to talk about is actually this button here, and it pops up. And I'm trying to do a close up, but these are micro perforated brightness and battery indicators that are built into here. This is the first time I've ever seen this on an Olight, so I am, as you saw, I was blown away by what I was seeing. I thought for some reason a light was coming through the material, and I was like, uh-oh, but it's not. These are actually indicators telling me, you know, what brightness I'm at and the amount of battery. That's amazing. Now, the reinforced glass lens here I do want to talk about, because it is great being an EDC, small handheld flashlight you can keep with you, and if it does drop straight on, you're not going to deal with a crack. Not only that, but the protective material around it, the OAL, is going to be beneficial in the end. And one thing I did say about the Olight is how handheld it is, and being the Baton Ultra, you're looking at 113 millimeters and around 115 grams in weight, and that is a plus for me. I love that, to carry this if you need to. Going back to my EDC pocket knife, you can see the difference here is not that far off, and that is amazing. Now, I will say this is my first time actually having an EDC flashlight. Most of the flashlights I do have are gun tack lights, so the fact that this one actually has a clip that is from what I'm seeing is removable, is an amazing touch also. So that actually adds to a little bit more when you're able to remove it and actually replace it. So that is a big plus on Olight. I will say I'm happy with this product. I'm going to be doing more tests with this just for my own advantage here. And what I say to everybody out there is whatever you watch on YouTube or you see reviews, is that be sure to test it yourself, because that's where it's going to come down to the end. I'm very interested in seeing how far this will go. Like I said, I didn't get to show it here, but see that it locks on here. See that this attaches to anywhere you want it, and you can actually leave it there for a workbench or something, and it's really cool. I gotta say thank you to Olight first off, and also with that, if you guys are interested in this product, go check the link down below. And remember, there is a summer splash sale going on right now to the end, the 27th, 20% off on Baton series. So it is amazing, and I gotta say thank you for watching. This was Mick with Fresh from the Range.